I think it's a very bad idea to leave your job right away to start freelancing. See, there are a lot of marketers who are going to claim that you can earn in lakhs within a month or so, but the reality check is yes, it is possible, but it is definitely going to take time, at least 3 to 4 months. See, it's not an overnight journey, and you are having your EMI due dates, your bills to pay. No one is going to come and pay your bill. So you should be mindful and calculative when you're taking any decision. So I would like to suggest you, if you're already doing a job and you want to taste digital marketing or freelancing, then you should definitely try it as a side hustle. And to for example, you can start using at least 1 hour or 2 hours in a day and start doing freelancing on the weekend. Then log into more hours, just try to handle one project, and when you reach this stage where you are making 30% of your salary while investing 2 hours in a day, then that is the right time. If you know that you can cross your salary when you reach this stage, then it is the right time for you to quit your job and make your freelancing a full time. So the bottom line is, if you want to start your career in digital marketing, or but before that you want to try an experiment, then do it as a side hustle without compromising your job or any ongoing career, and if it works, then enter.